Hi, welcome back to Tita Lily's Kitchen. For today's video, I am making tomato egg drop soup. This delicious classic recipe is light, flavorful, and perfect for any time you want something warm and satisfying. Quick and easy to make with simple ingredients and just a few minutes of cooking, you'll have a silky, savory soup that is comforting and incredibly tasty. Let's get started. I have washed this beforehand, so I'll start by lightly scoring the bottoms of these 6 pieces of medium-sized roma tomatoes. And just to make sure that we're only using fresh tomatoes. Then, add warm water and let it soak for a couple of minutes. This helps loosen the skin and makes it easier to peel. As you could see, the skin comes right off, so easy. And this is exactly what we want. Then I will chop these into small pieces. This way it will cook faster and release more flavor. You don't have to be fussy about the cuts as long as they're in small pieces. I have here a small amount of ginger, finely chopped. For this dish, I want a nice, stronger ginger taste, so I'm adding a bit more. Let's start making the soup base. Little bit of oil, then add the ginger and saute until fragrant. Now I'll add the chopped tomatoes and cook them down until soft and juicy. At this point, I'll add soy sauce and paprika. Next, pour in water, or if you prefer, you can use vegetable stock. And then we'll bring this to a boil. This is optional. To make the soup extra comforting, I'm adding the enoki mushrooms. They only need a short time to cook and it will give a really nice bite. A bit of salt and seasoning powder. Next goes in is a simple starch and water slurry, just enough to thicken the sauce. Gradually add the mixture until you get your desired thickness. In this case, I think I need just a bit more. And as I add a little more, you can see the soup is turning smooth, silky, and just the right consistency. And now for the star of the dish, lightly beat 2 eggs. And slowly drizzle them into the simmering soup. Let it set for a second before stirring gently. Our soup is looking delicious and almost ready. And to finish, top it off with chopped green onions, and also you can add a few drops of sesame oil if you like. And that's it. Our simple, comforting, classic tomato egg drop soup is ready to serve and enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.